गोवा हे एक पर्यटन थळ देखून लाखांनी पर्यटक गोय भोंवडेर येतात. गोयच्या खाणा जेवणाची रूच घेतात. हे फाटभुंयेर तालिगांव कम्युनिटी हॉलात हॉटेल आनी हेर उद्देगा खातीर हॉस्पिटॅलिटी शो घडोवन हाडलो. कार्यावळीचे उक्तावण नामनेची अभिनेत्री पूजा बेदीन केले. 1000 परस चड राष्ट्रीय आनी आंतरराष्ट्रीय ब्रँड आनी उत्पादनां दाखोवपी 100 परस चड एक्झिबिटर उपस्थित आसले. तुम्ही हॉटेल, रिसॉर्ट, रेस्टॉरंट, कसिनो, बेकरी, कॅफे, फास्ट फूड, केटरिंग चलोवपाचो वेवसाय करतात जाल्यार गोंयकारांक आपलो धंदो वाडोवपा खातीर ही सुवर्ण संद. हॉटेल वेवसाय करतल्यां खातीर असले हॉस्पिटॅलिटी गोंयांत घडोवन हाडपाची खूब गरज आसा अशें अभिनेत्री पूजा बेदीन सांगले.
I think given how important food and drink is to every Indian, I think it's a must for everybody who is in hospitality to attend a show like this because it has the most incredible lineup of stalls, products, and it's I mean I can't wait to actually go see all of it. I've just begun the tour of this particular exhibition, and the Goa Hospitality Show I think is one of the best that we have in Goa. Kedar of course outdoes everything every year, and we have a bigger and better lineup, and I'm very excited to see what's ahead.
Goa being a tourist destination and one of the best destinations in India, you can say, and this type of show is really required because the hoteliers, the cafeterias, the restaurateurs look forward for this type of a big exhibition where they can choose the best items in the industry. So hats off to Kedar and Clive, these two gems of Goa who have been organizing year after year, and you find all value additions every year that there are more stalls, more people coming in, and I wish them all the best, and may God bless them with similar type of bigger shows in the years to come.
This show is the 9th edition of the Goa Hospitality Show. We are pretty excited with the kind of response the show has received. And this is apparently the only show that's going to happen this year in Goa. What you get to see here is a wide display of anything and everything that a hotelier, a resort owner, a restaurant, a bakery, cafe, a fine high street cafes, anything to do with the food service and hospitality industry, you'll find it here. We have managed to bring together close to 100 companies from across India representing the finest of national and international brands to the shores of Goa. And with the Mopa airport opening up, there's going to be a whole lot of escalation in terms of the kind of standards of service that will go up with more international traffic. And this show is basically a representation to facilitate raising the standards and bar for the discerning traveller visiting Goa. So this is a 3-day show, and the timings of the show are 10:30 to 7 a.m. every day. The venue is Taeligao Community Hall.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, नितीक्षा गांवकार आणि संगीता ओली.